Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mobile Foodies. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to make chin chin, Nigerian chin chin. It's going to be a very rich chin chin and it's going to be very delicious and tasty. So watch me doing it. I have 9 cups of flour. I've sifted it, 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of blueband margarine. This is the one I'm using, blueband margarine. 7 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. I have milk here, evaporated liquid milk. This is the tin milk, pig milk. I have Fanta. Then this is vanilla flavor. I have milk flavor here, 1 tablespoon. So for this video, I'm not going to use rolling pin. What I'm going to use is this bottle. In case you are living in a place where you don't have access to rolling pin, they are not selling it, so you can still do your chin chin. So this is the rolling pin I'm going to use. It's an improvised rolling pin, so you are going to see it. First of all, I will add the sugar. Sugar is to your taste. If you like more sugar, you feel free to add it. Baking powder, salt, and milk flavor. For the vanilla flavor, I'm going to add it to the egg. 1 teaspoon. Make sure that the liquid is not much, because I have liquid here, I have another liquid here, another liquid here, so you have to be very careful. So I'll add the margarine. I've cleaned my nails, I've washed my hands, so I'm good to go with my bare hands. That's what I'm using. If you have gloves, feel free to use any gloves of your choice. Hand gloves. You know, one thing I like about chin chin, let it have that crunchy taste. As you are chewing the chin chin, it's breaking. Don't let it be too soft. So the next thing I will add of the egg and the milk. Then I'll stir it together. You can see how rich it is. I'll still add it into the flour. Be careful about the fluid, about the liquid. Your chin chin should not be too soft. The dough should not be too soft. Mix it very well. So I have to add the Fanta. Add it to form a dough. It has to be a stiff dough. Mix it well to be very smooth. I want to roll it now. I'm using the improvised rolling pin as the bottle. So I'll roll it until it's very slim. Then I'll show you guys how to cut it. So we all know how to roll chin chin. This is for people that doesn't have rolling pin. So I finished rolling it. So I want to start cutting it now. This knife is something else. The knife is so blunt. For people that doesn't have pizza cutter. So I will do like this to the end. Then I will cross it. The crossing, I'm going to show it to you guys. This kettle is making noise. I'm going to slant it. If you want to use knife to cut your chin chin, you have to sharpen it first in the market. As it is, this knife is very blunt. I finished cutting the chin chin, so I want to fry it now. The pot is on heat. For the oil, it has to be 3 inches deep. So I want to put the oil now into the saucepan. The chin chin is frying now. As you can see, it's inside the pot and still stirring. It has to be light brown, or it depends on what you want. Either light brown or golden brown. So I will show you guys when I'm done. I want it light brown or golden brown. So I have to be very fast. I don't want it to burn. Hello everyone, this is the outcome of the chin chin I've just made today. It was 9 cups of flour. As you can see, it's much. So please practice your own. You will love it. Chin chin is a Nigerian snack. You give it to your visitors and you use it to entertain yourself too with drinks. So please subscribe to my channel. Don't just watch and go. Watch and stay. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.